What's up, everybody? Today is the first day in about a week that we haven't had rain in the forecast. It's likely that all the trails in Wilkesboro are going to be closed today. So we're going to head up the mountain about 30 minutes to Rocky Knob and see what we can get into there. So this is kindergarten. This is the, quote, beginner trail at Rocky Knob Mountain Bike Park in Boone, North Carolina. This is what Rocky Knob says is their only beginner trail because no trails there are technically beginner trails. And it is a hard beginner trail. It's a pretty decent climb, and thank goodness it's not for very long. I think the total of the trail is around half a mile, maybe, if that. I may be wrong on that. But the climb, it definitely gets your legs burning. The day we rode Rocky Knob, it had rained for a week. So everything was pretty sloppy. The cool thing about this is that there are a couple little wooden features and skinnies along the way to kind of introduce you to what you might see back on another trail such as Rocky Branch.
Fake it till you make it A, and if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before.
I hate showing slow climbs on these videos, but because that's what half of this trail is, that's what you're going to see. And it's short. But this definitely gets you in the mindset of that's what you're going to be doing most of the day is probably climbing. Because the descent down Rocky Knob is a lot faster. Here we get rewarded. This is called the exit trail. This is a great trail to use as a warm-up before you head out into the rest of the park. Thanks for checking this out. Part 2 will be coming out soon. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and turning on that alert bell so that you can be notified of any new content that comes out.